Sunflowers resemble the sun with bright, vibrant colors full of vitality. They are also known as sunflower, heliotrope, and morning sunflower. Sunflower is one of the crops with the most aliases in Chinese. What would you call it? Sunflowers originated in North America and were initially used for ornamental purposes. They are named because their flower heads follow the sun. They are annual herbaceous plants, commonly made the 1st to 3rd meters tall with a maximum height of 9 meters. Besides ornamental value, they also have high edible value. The seeds are called sunflower seeds, which have a high oil content and a fragrant taste. Sunflower seeds began to replace watermelon seeds as a snack during the late Qing Dynasty. Since then, they have gradually gained a place in the snack and oil industries. Let's take a look at the process of planting, harvesting, and processing sunflower oil. Sunflowers have well-developed roots and stems and have low soil requirements. They can be planted anywhere, such as walls and fields, and are easy to grow. The main production areas are mainly distributed in the provinces north of the Yellow River. They like warmth and can withstand cold, with an optimal sowing temperature of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. Sunflowers are usually cultivated 2 to 3 times. This helps in weeding, loosening the soil, breaking crusts, and retaining moisture. When sunflowers bloom, their golden flowers are very eye-catching and beloved by everyone. Sunflowers have their own unique charm. They are sunny and bright. They represent courage in pursuing dreams and love for life. Sunflowers are tall annual herbaceous plants. The growth period is generally 85 to 120 days. Nowadays, sunflowers are mainly used for food besides being ornamental. The fruit is an achene, commonly known as sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds contain 38 to 42% oil. Sunflowers are water-intensive crops. The plants are tall, with many dense leaves. Mature sunflower seeds are very plump. It's time for harvesting. Load them onto trucks and transport them to the factory. Processing sunflower kernels. The process of mechanically processing sunflower oil. Sunflower seeds are an important oil crop. They rank 5th among oil crops in China. Their yield is second only to rapeseed, soybeans, peanuts, and cottonseed. Sunflower oil is also a very high-quality oil source. It has a fresh taste and is not greasy. Bottling sunflower oil.